Hello my friends and welcome back. In this lesson we'll be warming up and creating some awesome whiteboard text animations. So let me show you what kind of text animations we'll be creating. So the first one is called text appearing by letter. So as you can see, these words whiteboard animation are appearing letter by letter. So that's a really simple and easy to create animation. The next one is calling drawing text, and this one is using the draw feature that is available in Microsoft 365 and PowerPoint 2021. But since the draw feature is only available in the newest PowerPoint versions, we'll not be focusing too much on this draw feature, but still I'll show you how you can create this text animation. Alright, and next we have this whiteboard text animation called text wipe. So here we have this hand picture moving up and down, and at the same time, as you can see, the text box is wiping to the right side. And that's a really nice looking whiteboard text animation. But the animation that I would recommend and would like you to learn is this one called uncovering text. As you can see, once again, the hand is moving up and down and following the text, but this time the text is not getting wiped, it's getting uncovered gradually. So I'll definitely show you how you can create this awesome uncovering text animation. Alright, so let's jump into the action. So first of all, let me show you how we can create this text appearing by letter animation. So once again, this is how the animation looks like. The letters are appearing one by one, that's awesome. So let's just hit enter and insert a fresh blank new slide. Let's go to insert, text box, and let's insert a text box. Let's type in whiteboard animation. Alright. Let's make sure we select the whole text. Let's center align the text and let's increase the font size, for example 54. Okay, and for the font, let's choose Dinotopia. Dinotopia, the font that we have chosen in the previous lesson. Okay, let's make sure the text box is center aligned to the slide. And now for this first word, let's choose our gray color. Alright, and for the animation word, let's choose this bluish greenish color. Alright, and by the way, if you don't see any colors in the recent color row, you can always go to more colors, go to custom, and input your hex values of your chosen colors. So if you'd like to use the same colors that I'm using, you can jump to our class project slide number 5. I think it's number 5, yes it is, and here you will find the hex values for these two beautiful colors that I have chosen. So feel free to follow along and copy the same hex values. Alright, so the text box is finished and now we can jump to animations and apply appear animation to this text box. Now let's go to animation pane, let's double click this animation so that we can enter the options. And now let's make sure the text is animated by letter. Let's just choose by letter. And for the delay between letters, let's choose 0.1 seconds. Okay. And the animation is pretty much finished. So that's a really basic and easy to create whiteboard text animation that we'll be using quite a lot in our explainer video. Alright, and next let me show you how you can create this whiteboard text animation called drawing text. So PowerPoint basically replaced the drawing or writing of the text. And please note that this feature is only available in the latest PowerPoint versions. So let's just jump to the draw tab. Let's select this pen. We can select different thicknesses of the pen. We can select different colors. So let's select the gray color. Alright, and you can draw with your mouse, with your touchpad, or you can connect a graphics tablet if you have one. And I'll just try to use my mouse to draw some text. And I think this text is getting a little bit too thick, so that's not a big deal. We can get back to thickness options. Let's choose a lower setting and let's try once again. Let's just draw a word your. And for the next word, let's choose a different color. Alright, and let's just type or draw text. So it's going to be your text. That's awesome. And once we're finished drawing, we have to click on this little cursor to exit the drawing mode. And now we can select these two pieces of text and we can move them around. And as well, we can go to animations and add replay animation to both of these guys. And let's make sure that the animation for the second text box is started after previous so that the first text box plays and only then the second one. Alright, and this is how the animation looks like. And of course, you can adjust the speed of these animations by adjusting the duration of the animations. And now let me show you one more awesome way how we can use the draw feature if you have it in your PowerPoint version. So if you remember in the getting ready lesson, we had this text underline effect and this circle effect. And both of these animations were created with the draw feature. Okay, so let me just quickly grab this text box getting ready. Let's copy it and let's paste it into our slide. Okay, and now once again, let's jump to the draw tab. Let's select the pen. Let's choose the thickness that we wish. Alright, and now let's just underline this text. And don't worry if you don't like the line, you can always undo Ctrl-Z and draw once again until you're happy. And once again, let's click on this little cursor to exit the drawing mode. And if we wish, we can send this green line to back by hitting Ctrl-Shift and left bracket. And now we can jump to animations and apply replay animation. And this time, let's choose 1 second for the duration. And this is the underline effect under the getting ready text box. That's awesome. And following the same steps, you can easily create the circle animation for your text. Looking good. Alright guys, so next let's talk about the whiteboard text animation called Text Wipe. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, we have a hand picture and we have 2 animations happening at the same time. The hand is following the text and the text is fading or wiping to the right side. And this way we're getting this beautiful effect as if the text is being written on the slide by this hand. That's awesome. Alright, so let's insert a blank new slide and let me show you how you can create this awesome text animation. So we can reuse this whiteboard animation text box from the previous slide. Let's just make sure that we remove any of the animations. And as well, we'll have to find a picture of a hand holding a pen. So if you'd like to save some time, you can jump to slide number 6 of our class project slides and pick any hand that you wish. For example, this one. Let's copy it and let's paste it into our slide. And once again, let's make sure that there are no animations. We will create all of the animations from scratch. Okay, so let's position the hand somewhere right here. Okay. And now one more important thing that we need to take care of is the rotation center of the hand picture. Currently, the center of rotation is somewhere where the center of the image is. Well, that's logical, but we'd like the center of rotation to be where the tip of the marker is. And one easy way to change the rotation center of this hand picture is to duplicate it. Let's flip it vertically and let's flip it horizontally. And now let's make sure that the tips of these 2 pens are almost touching each other. So let me just zoom in a little bit. Okay, so let's make sure that the tips of these markers or pens are almost touching each other. Okay, and now we can hold down the Shift key, select both of these photos and hit Ctrl-G to group. Okay, so now we have one big group of 2 pictures. And now if we rotate this group, as you can see, we have a new rotation center. That's awesome. Now let's just make this duplicated hand invisible. We can go to picture transparency options and let's make it 100% transparent. And now we have only this one hand visible and it has a new rotation center where the tip of the marker is. Alright, that's wonderful. And now let's make sure that we select this visible hand and let's add a little bit of transparency to this picture as well. For example, around 70%. Okay, that looks good. Because now we'll be adding a custom motion path to this hand and we want to see where the text goes. Okay, so let's make sure that we have selected the hand. We can go to selection pane. We can rename this group to hand. Alright, and now let's jump to the animation tab and let's look for custom motion path animations. Let's click on add animation. Let's scroll down a little bit and here it is, custom motion path. And now all we have to do is just keep on clicking and follow the letters. And for some of the letters, I'm clicking really precisely, for example, W. But for some of the letters like H or I or T, I'm just clicking up and down because this animation will be quite fast and we will not see how this, hand moves precisely. So more or less, you can just click up and down and cover each letter. Of course, for letter A, you can be more precise. But for example, for letter N, I'm just clicking up and down, up and down. Okay, so I'll finish this motion path and meet you in a second. Okay, so the custom motion path is ready and this is how it looks like. The hand is following the letters. That's awesome. As you can see, this animation is quite fast, so we can increase the duration. For example, let's type in 4. And as well, let's set back the transparency of the hand picture. Let's reduce it to 0. That's good. Let's check out the animation once again. I think PowerPoint has automatically added some smooth start and smooth end. So let's jump into the animation options. We can remove any smooth start and smooth end. Okay, let's check it out once again. Okay, looking good. So the hand animation is ready. And now all that's left to do is to add a wipe animation to the text box itself. Alright, so once again, this is how the final animation should look like. Alright, so let's get back to our slide and now let's select this text box and let's go to Animations tab and let's choose Wipe Animation. And for the direction, let's choose from left. Okay, let's make sure that the text animation is happening with previous, so at the same time with hand. And for the duration, let's use the same duration for seconds, and let's see how it looks like. We might need to do some adjustments. As you can see, the hand animation is a little bit slower. So this wipe animation finishes faster, so this means that we should reduce the duration of the hand animation. Let's try 3.5 seconds for the hand animation, and let's check it out once again. Alright, looking good, but as I have mentioned, the animation that I like the most and that I would recommend for whiteboard videos is the text uncover animation, and this is the one that we will be doing next. So let's go to text uncover animation. Okay, so let's check out this animation once again, and as you can see, the text is not being wiped, but it's being gradually uncovered. And I think this kind of text animation is much more natural and realistic and would fit your whiteboard video really well. So let me show you how we can create this effect. And the good news are that we have pretty much created everything that we need for the uncovered text animation. We have the hand, we have the text box. So let's select everything from our previous slide and let's paste it into a new slide. Let's just remove the text animation, we don't need it. Okay, let's make sure that there's just this one custom motion path animation for the hand. And now let's go to insert shapes and let's insert a rectangle. Okay, we can fill it with any bright color that we wish. And let's remove the outline. And now let's make sure that this rectangle covers the whole text. Okay. Let me just change the fill color to yellow. I think this way it looks much more pleasing to the eye. And let's send this hand picture to front. Okay. Alright, so let's make sure that the whole text box is covered by this yellow rectangle. Okay. So let's move it to the start of the text box, and by the way, make sure that the tip of the marker is still popping out a little bit here on the left side. Let me zoom back, let's make sure that the end of the text is covered as well. Alright, and now all that's left to do is to select the hand picture. Let's go to animations, let's choose the animation painter, and let's paste the same custom motion path animation to this yellow rectangle. And let's make sure that the rectangle animation is started with previous, so at the same time with the hand. Okay, and this is how the animation looks like. And as you can see, it looks kind of funny because, well, the rectangle is yellow. But as you can see, the text is being gradually uncovered, and this is the whole secret to this animation. And yes, you guessed it right, the last step is to fill this rectangle with white color, and the animation will be finished. So let's fill this rectangle with white. And now we can enjoy the animation. As you can see, the text is being gradually uncovered, and I think this kind of text animation really fits well to whiteboard videos and looks pretty natural and realistic. And as always, if you'd like to change the speed of the animations, you can change the duration of the animations. So let's just insert 6 seconds for the white rectangle and for the hand. And as well, we can add a little bit of smooth start of 2 seconds. Smooth start and smooth end. And this way the animation will be looking even more realistic and natural. So let's check out the final result. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I think we had a really good warm-up with whiteboard text animations in this lesson. And before moving to the next lesson, I encourage you to create a couple of these text animations. So I would recommend trying out this letter by letter appearing text animation. That's really simple to create. And the second one is the last animation that we did in this lesson, the uncover animation. We'll be using both of these text animations quite a lot in our explainer video. And in the next lesson, we'll be finishing our warm-up and we'll be covering some awesome whiteboard illustration animation techniques. So I'll see you there.